Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping only the area with clean, hydrated skin so the corrector adheres and doesn't pill. Once done, select a tone. Peach or orange neutralizes deep blue or brown spots, yellow tones reduce purple. Make a tiny dot and stipple it outward with a small synthetic brush or fingertip. You want a thin, even 0.5 1 mm layer. Apply sparingly because more product creates texture. Less is easier to blend and to color balance later. You now focus on blending without losing coverage. Tap gently to press the corrector into skin, dragging smears pigment and creates streaks. Make sure each thin layer has about 10-15 seconds to settle before adding another. This prevents caking and keeps texture smooth. Use natural light to evaluate coverage and add a second light layer only where needed, not across the whole area. This method preserves a natural finish while building targeted neutralization. You finish by setting the corrector so it lasts. Press translucent powder with a fluffy brush to lock it, then dust away excess. Once set, apply foundation or skin tone concealer in very thin layers over the spot and blend edges into surrounding skin for a seamless result. If the orange or peach still peeks through, add a tiny dab of your concealer on top and gently tap to marry the tones. This mutes oversaturation without losing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.